Hi guys, this is a part 2 to the video earlier. It is still snowing out, and I just got done going out in it, and it's still cold and very wet. I highly advise do not drive anywhere in this. It is cold. It is not fun to drive in this, but it is pretty. Have a very Merry Christmas, and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.